Hey yo, what's good YouTube? This is Citywide.Kb. I'm coming back with another POV. Shit, I ain't even gonna start with the jibber jab and just go ahead, like the video, comment, subscribe. We just gonna head hop into the video, baby. No jibber jabber, just hop straight into it.
I can't ride up in no Charger. Got the wheel like Jimmy Johnson. I can't go like Paul Walker. VTEC engine, 3.2 Acura TL. It's gon' hawk.
Fuck that. We going this way. I ain't got time to be sitting in traffic over there. Damn. Ain't no goddamn way. But okay. But yeah though, man, had me a nice little grand old day today. Goddamn. Cold as hell. I've been outside all fucking day. I told my goddamn girl I wasn't gonna be gone this long. Fucking bullshit. Fuck it, my guy. We hadn't been on the back road in a minute. I don't feel like sitting in this goddamn traffic all goddamn day. I'm finna take the back way. It's gonna seem like a little bit of traffic right now. But hold on, man. Sitting in traffic for a cool about 5-10. Had to charge up the camera phone a little bit. Been goddamn shooting all day. But luckily we back on the back road, my nigga. And I ain't been on this road in about a cool month. So don't be surprised if you see a young nigga just ripping and dipping and getting on down. Cause shit, I missed these little back road, my nigga. Damn, coulda took that one. But nah. We ain't gonna do that POV today. We gonna do a different POV. We gonna come this way. Hopefully it be less people in my way, but you never know. Yeah, I think I might just do POVs with jackets and hoods and shit. You can barely tell I got this motherfucker. Well, nah, you see the phone sticking up out the goddamn mirror. But yeah, though, man, I've been having me a grand old goddamn month, man. Been taking it easy. Been honestly recouping my mind, getting all the stress out of it as much as I can, without piling more on top of me. You know how life go. Oh, is that a Pan? Panamera? Mr. Pan, sir? Is that you? But yeah, though, man. Seem like I gotta do a little bit of cut up action when I got some room to myself. So typically, I just like to goddamn downshift down in a second, get off the gas. When I realize there's a nigga back there behind me, I tap on the gas a little bit, let him get a little closer, let that car up there disappear, catch him. Oh my God, this fucking armrest is gonna be the goddamn death of me. Close, bitch. Alright, I tell you to close one more time, I'm gonna kick your ass. What the fuck, man? I know good and goddamn well these niggas not going all the way. I knew I should have took the other goddamn way, man. What the fuck? Yeah, this shit is boring. Bro, please don't tell me it's gonna be under 30 the whole fucking way there, bro. This fucking Nissan Armada. This goddamn white car. Ah, that is the Nissan. Fuck. The car behind the fucking fat bitch. I'm like, god damn, motherfucker got places to be. Y'all just goddamn lollygagging like y'all own the shit. Look at Twin. don't know if that was Type Ed though. See, I hate y'all niggas. I really do. I really do. Y'all bum ass niggas got the fucking nerve. Hey buddy, you can't fucking drive. You either, nigga. Spin, 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 spin. That bitch is just spin, 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 spin like Money Man. Bro, you're getting passed for shit show, bucko. I'm tired of your punk ass. Hurry up, out the way. Nigga. Fucking weirdo. Then, ma'am, I swear to God, if you take the turn I gotta take. Ooh, Type R. Bitch, go. Slow moving ass out the fucking way, grandma. Shit. Man, you gotta back up a little bit, nigga. I seen your fucking hubcaps. Yeah, it's gonna be helly niggas getting past. That's where we turn on the mini map to see where the curvatures are in the road. See if we got enough straightaway to get away. Okay. Got the if that white car wouldn't have pulled up, that would have been perfect. Could have had all the time in the world. Why you riding third so much? Get out of third, get out of third, get out of third. Listen. Fuck. I wanted it. Oh, I hit that branch, did you hear? Too late. This is what y'all been waiting on right here, huh? Y'all been waiting on me to get on up in this motherfucker, huh? I know it, me too. Goddamn Tweedledee and Bumblefuck in the fucking way. I can't do fuck. Now I can fucking glide at my own pace. Where's that Civic? Quick question. Where's that fucking Civic? Nigga went so goddamn fast, my goddamn glove compartment goddamn shit. I hate niggas like that, and niggas like you too. If y'all did like the video, go ahead, thumbs it up, subscribe, turn them post notifications on. And I'ma catch y'all when I catch y'all.
Bye, have a great time. Hey, niggas ain't fucking with me and they know. Black out the wood tryna load up and blow. I'm the little nigga who pushing them low. Not in my pocket, a Glock on the road. Pull my eyes, go visit the bank.